Hello everybody, Vixie here with a small little video, and I'm realizing how big my beard is getting. I just felt like doing a video, I don't know why. Probably because I heard the wind, and now here's the thing. I don't actually know if it's just really windy, which is fully possible this is South Sweden, or if it's just as windy as usual. But this thing got installed this week. It's ventilation. You probably don't get how big of a deal that is to me. It's really big. So that might actually be why. Everything's going forward. Schoolwork's going forward. Stuff is general great. Kinda. I'm solving some stuff. Also learning to draw. And in like 2 weeks, bit more than 2 weeks, I can't no longer do that healthy teenager meme. I'll have to be responsible adult.